Welcome to my channel, Ningning ni Neneng. Guys, kumusta kayong lahat? Hope lahat kayo ay okay. Enjoy and have a great day always. Naglalakad na kami patungo sa bus stop ni Darling. Pero nauna na siya, mabilis siyang lumakad, guys. Ako kasi ang camera woman, kaya nahuli na ako. Maglalakad tayo ng mga 15 minutes patungo sa bus stop. Summer na guys, kaya maganda yung panahon. Maliwalas ang langit. Amazing noodles, guys. Yan. Seafood noodles. Order ni Darling. Spicy noodles. Combination with
spicy
meat.
Nagkasangli natin.
Meat. And chicken. That's the order. And Manang's order is wonton soup. Masarap. Oh, amazing yumminess. Look at that. And mine is this. Oh, seafood delight. Oh. Sahog, guys. May pusit. May tahong. May prawn. At punong-puno ng gulay. Ayan, napakaganda, napakasarap. Perfect talaga, guys. Napakainit. Oh. Sarap. Grabe.
Ha?
Hindi ko alam
to order?
Ayan, ang dami niya. Yung combination naman yung kay Lino.
Beef, chicken, prawn. Good. Spicy.
Sarap.
Sarap. Punong-puno ng Ricardo. Oo. Yumminess. Oh, may karne pa siya. Beef. May chicken pa. Ayan.
Prawn.
Prawn. Ayan, ang lalaking prawn. So,
Wonton, ito wonton.
may wonton.
With shrimp and pork filling. So wonton soup with, how do you call this na? This is pak choy.
Pak choy.
With fine noodles. Homemade noodles.
ganda ng pagkakaluto nila, guys. Very yummy. Full of flavors. You enjoy, really. Oh. Saka pa, guys. Pagpapawisan ka talaga sa sobrang init. At saka yung atmosphere niya, guys, oh, napakaganda. Punong-puno yung restaurant nila ng customer. Oh, dapat may discount kami kasi suki na kami dito. Sukiyaki. Ans house. Na tayo, guys. Ito naman yung sa akin. Oh, napakasarap.
Seafood noodles.
Seafood soup. Oh. Be. Kain na tayo, be. Enjoy the meal. Sarap, guys, promise. Ito, ang lalaki ng ano niya, oh. Tahong. Giant tahong. Iba talaga yung ano niya, guys, oh. Ang lalaki ng mga kanya, oh. Ano, guys, oh. Squid. Napakasarap. Grabe. Punong-puno yung napakalaking mangkok, guys, oh. Hindi namin sukot akalain ganito pakalaki yung ano. Thanks, guys, for your love and support on this channel. I love you. I love you. I love you.